got to escape before they find us.
Escape? My research isn't finished yet.
Come on.
Scientists.
Map of this area. We can't go any further unless we do something. We need a pair of eyes on the civilians. Then somebody's going to have to close the steam valve.
I'll take care of the valve.
Yeah, I mean, it's right there. Oh, that was so hard. Oh! Shoot him! What? You just gonna watch?
Lloyd, the valve, please.
Yeah, because you couldn't have done it, could you? Wait! Wait for me. Someone's got to turn some valves. Oh, 3 times.
There's a night walker.
Right. But... Claire? What? It said Claire on the side.
Move it, will ya?
Yep. Steam. Greatest video game enemy.
Stick with the mission, please.
Are you kidding me?
Oops. I forgot about the research data I left in the warehouse.
Forget about it, sir.
It's got everything you'd want to know about the Nightwalkers. I don't think your superiors will be too happy if they found out you left it behind.
Blast it.
Listen, all you have to do is take that road to the right to get to the warehouse. Everything's stored on a disk that I left by the computer.
Yeah, see you guys. I'm just gonna go pick up a piece of paper that, you know, could have bloody well grabbed. And I got told off for going down here just now. No, you don't see me. Yeah, of course you turn around abruptly. Why wouldn't you? Yay. She's gonna turn around before I can get to her, because that's what she does. Oh. Okay, I was wrong.
I've got the disc.
Hanson to Lloyd. I'm sending the command vehicle's current location. We'll be waiting for you there.
This is
Roger
Hanson to Lloyd. We'll be there.
Harrison here. I've got a major problem. We've been surrounded by night walkers.
Hold on, sir. I'll be there.
I'll be there. I'll be there.
Hurry up, Lloyd. I don't think we'll be able to hold out much longer.
Give me like 3 seconds.
Good job.
What? I just had to get that one guy. I'm on it now. No one can see me. No one can see me. No one can see me. Is that not the right one?
Join us over here. We'll head to the command
Joanna?
vehicles together.
Roger.
Joanna's over here. I'm not gonna wait for you because you're just
Who's
slow.
there?
I should have waited. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, get up there. And then one more. And then this one. Parkour.
Blow it away, Lloyd.
Ooh, sorry. Don't mind me.
Good job.
Oh no!
I know him. I know him real good.
Went to high school together.
We can't open fire here. Hanson, I need some place where we can use our guns.
Captain, there's an empty warehouse near your location. It's an
like-
ideal spot for intercepting the opposition.
It was right next to
Sounds
you.
good.
He wants me. Mind if I ask you to back me up?
What?
Sounds personal. So this is the one that wiped out your entire squad. If that's the case, he's all yours. Go for it, boy.
What? James, what's wrong with your voice? I've just done a big circle. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Oh, come on, James. Is that enough? No. Whoa! Okay, he got stronger all of a sudden. This way? No. Okay. This is kind of like being in the haunted house. He's just popping out places. Hi. Yeah. Alright. Cutting that close. Mmm. Easy peasy, lemony squeezy.
Unbelievable. You actually took out an elite walker?
Actually, it's our second. Do you know what the cycle of the sun and the full moon means?
No, I can't say I do.
He's lying.
James is gone?
I'm assuming that it wasn't an accident. I believe our city's been infiltrated by a very dangerous team of humans.
Oh.
If they fell to humans, they weren't worthy of the cycle of the sun and the full moon.
That's true. It's true.
Lord
Blimey, I
Hexler
forgot about that.
was never happy with the cycle of the sun and the full moon. How long are you planning to hide things from him?
How do they expect us to take out the 2 remaining Prime Walkers? We don't even know where they are.
That's some
Get
good
me
acting.
the Colonel. This is Kelly, Colonel. As you know, this
Kelly, Colonel.
operation has failed at the initial phase.
Oh, she's just gonna die.
I guess it's now or never.
It's now or never. Come hold me close. Say something, my darling. Bring me my toast. Do I have my sniper? No, that That would be silly to bring the gun that can kill them. Hmm? Oh, blimey, sorry, didn't mean to do that. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Lloyd and I will join you there.
Roger.
Roger.
Donkey. Oh, do it in one cutscene.
Harrison here. Lloyd, can you help me out over here?
I wonder if I can jump that. Let's give it a go. No. Now this would be really dangerous because it's going to be wet and slippery and I'm just sort of jumping about. So I don't really recommend it. Here I come, walking down the thing, gonna stab you home, and everything. Hey, hey.
Glad you could join me, Lloyd. Now, let's get out of here.
Captain,
What is it, Kelly?
I'm surrounded by Nightwalkers. I'm sending my coordinates. Come quick.
Hold on, Kelly. Lloyd and I are on the way.
Get off me. Oh, this is such a gauntlet.
Come on, Lloyd. Let's wipe them out.
Why isn't there a parent walker when this happens?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, maybe there was a parent walker. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is taking ages to reload. Get off me!
Thank you.
Is he dead? No, he's fine. Look how long that takes to reload. Are we finished?
Thanks. I was afraid you'd never get here in time.
Okay, let's head back to the command vehicle.
Music just stops. Okay, follow me, guys. Guys. Fine. Okay, that's too high. Oh, that's the way I came from. Oh. Wait. Wait up.